Let me show you how to make Afrobeat from scratch. Simplest way. Yo, the name is Gosa and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Today's video is very simple. I want to show you how you can make Afrobeat from scratch. I think this video is for beginners, so I'll make it simplest way. Okay, let's get started. Alright guys, we are in FL Studio now, so I'll be using 104 as my tempo. The next thing we have to consider is the key. Okay, so you go to the piano roll. If you want to see all the keys, you can change this to see all the keys. So you go here, piano roll option, then you go to view. Okay, you go to key labels, then you select all notes. So now you can see this. The next thing you have to do is to choose the scale and the key that you want to play the beat. So I'll be using minor natural. Okay, then let me go for A. Okay, key A. So right now what we are coming to do is to develop our chord progression. Let me use morphing. Okay, let's use morphing for this chord progression. Go to keys, let me see. So I'll use this one. Go here. So we are coming to create our chord progression. If you want to know how to develop chord progression, I have a video there. It's very simple. Watch this video at the top button here. Alright, so guys, I'll use this chord progression. Let's listen to it. Alright, so let's route this to the mixer. Then I'm going to EQ it. Simple like that. Let's make this chord progression more interesting by clicking on Alt S to bring the strumizer. Then you play with the start, then the end. Accept. So let's listen to it. Very simple. So guys, let's move on. Let's play that one here. Then let's create another pattern. What we are going to do is to copy this, then we will paste it into purity. Okay, on purity we are going to choose marimba. Let me choose this one. Then we go there, we hit the Ctrl A to select everything, we drag it back. Okay, first of all let's change this one to step. So let's see what we can do. Let me move it high, a little bit high octave. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to copy the bass note, then bring it down like this. Okay. Something simple like this. Then let's listen. Simple. Okay, select all this, then duplicate it, shift, then we send it down, we bring it down like this. So let's listen to it. We are just creating bass for it. Let's reduce the volume. Very simple. So let's move on, add something small. So we just copy it again. Then here I'll be using gravity. I'll paste it here, and over here I will choose karimba. Then I'm going to highlight everything, Ctrl A, then I will drag it back. Let's listen to it. Okay, let me send it a little bit high octave. Okay, let's duplicate this one by holding the shift and C. Let's bring it a little bit. Very simple. Okay, so what we can do is to create our guitar melody. For it, I'm just playing everything on this pattern. Let me clone. Okay, let me clone the gravity, then we will just add some guitar to it. Okay, so I cloned this gravity, then I created this guitar melody. Let's listen to it alone. Very simple. I'm just making everything simple. I played reverb on it. So let's add it to those that you have made and play them together. Okay, so guys, I think right now we can add our drums. So let me introduce the drums. Let me bring shakers first. Okay, so I'll introduce this shaker. Control beat to fill in this to song. Alright, simple. So let's add our drums. So you can download these drums or sample parts from the link in the description box. Okay, so I will bring this one and I'm going to fill some bass, something simple like that. Okay, so let's listen to it. Alright, so now let's play with this string over here. Let's give it about 25%. It's something that you can use to make your drums more interesting. Alright, so I'm going to add more layers. So what I did was I introduced this conga, okay, then I played it like this. Very simple. So let's add that one to there. Alright guys, I want to make this beat very simple. So let me bring in the kick. We are just going to fill it normal Afro kick vibes. Fill each 4 steps. So let's play. Alright, let's introduce some drum fills. Let's add more layers. Copy this one, paste it here. Alright, so guys, last thing that we can do is to add our bass. Okay, I'll be using boot bass, simple. Then you just open the boot bass. Okay, let's add bass to it. I want the bass to be simple. Okay, then bring it a little bit up. Then Control A, you hold on shift, then you duplicate it. Alright, so guys, this is how I made the bass. I want it to be simple because this video is for beginners. I want to keep everything simple. So finally, let's listen to the whole beat. Alright guys, so this is how to make Afrobeat from scratch. Very simplest way for beginners. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like, then leave a comment in the description down there. Download the sample packs that I use for this beat in the description box. It's God's on the beat, still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.